Hi everyone, I'm Rubina and I'm based in Bangalore. I'm into the IT profession and I was going through a lot of stress in my professional and personal life, as an outcome of which I developed a stress-related autoimmune disease. In the starting, there were multiple symptoms that started to come up, including a lot of pain within my cheeks when I used to eat food. And typically, they used to get aggravated when I used to eat certain food items like sugar sugar, chocolate, and typically, sweet products. Also, when I was consuming non-vegetarian, it used to increase, the symptoms used to increase. I started developing sort of sores inside the mouth, and it was a very, very painful time. Um, More because I couldn't eat the food that I loved. I couldn't eat any spicy food. It would just pain. The cheeks would pain like anything. I wasn't able to eat even a single morsel of the food that I loved. The food items which I loved were like spicy and sour, but nothing of which I could eat. Then I was unable to think what is the problem, because I thought that, okay, these are just blisters, these are some mouth ulcers that will go away, but they didn't. So I decided to go to a dentist and he gave me a topical cream. And, after applying that cream on my cheeks, within a month, all the symptoms went away. But when I stopped using the cream, they again came back. So that's when I decided that I needed to meet another dentist. When I saw another dentist, this she actually was very happy to see my bad condition. And she actually said that, um, this is pre-stage of oral cancer. And don't worry, I will put you on steroids. They will make you fat, but be happy. This is a journey that you will be on. Her insensitivity actually helped me take a decision that I'm not going to go back to her and I need to find a new doctor. I believe a lot in Ayurveda, so I found an Ayurvedic doctor and went to him for treatment for around 3 months. But again, there was no result. So what I did was I read about homeopathy. I went for homeopathy treatment. And after 6 months, when there was very little improvement, I actually went on YouTube and started searching for people who were having a similar problem. The pain was excruciating. It would not allow me to sleep at times. The pain was so bad. It was like someone is drilling a needle or a pin in your cheeks. And most importantly, I couldn't eat anything. My weight was falling like anything. I started losing weight because all that I could eat was just rice, curds, and potato. I wasn't able to identify what was causing the problem. The flares would increase when I consumed any sugary product or I consumed bread or processed foods, but it really didn't register to me what was causing the problem. Whenever I would stop the trigger foods, the problem would subside. But then again, when I would start eating them, again, the problem would come back. So I decided that maybe I need to look more. And thanks to all the patients of Dr. Ravi Paneri, who made a testimonial video, because I was able to completely relate with the symptoms that they shared. I was able to completely relate to their journey. And that's what gave me confidence to reach out to Dr. Ravi Paneri. And initially, I was quite a bit skeptical because I'm based in Bangalore and he has, his clinic in Gujarat. I was wondering how I would take his treatment. But then I remember the first call that I had with him, the first thing he gave me was hope. And thanks to him for helping me be positive about the journey that I was on. He told me that, it can definitely be healed and he will make the situation better. And there is hope, right? Most importantly about that. So I put my complete faith in him, got started. He gave me a strict diet and I started following it. And after following the diet, along with his medicines, I have seen a great improvement in my condition. Over the 2 years that I have been taking his medicine, my condition has improved almost 85%. And I would say that, there have been times when I've not followed the diet. Of course, it's very difficult to follow the diet all the time. I think if I had followed his diet 100%, I would be completely normal by now. But nevertheless, I have seen very good improvement after taking his medicines. And it has really helped me. I'm not seeing any of the symptoms that I used to see before, like pain. I haven't had pain. I used to get boils inside my mouth previously, but nothing of that now. And most importantly, uh, I've been so happy because I've seen this improvement. I'm now able to eat food that I wasn't able to eat before. Slowly, he's introducing those foods back into my diet, and I'm happy about that, so I don't have to give up anything forever. uh, it gets introduced, but it takes time. So yeah, so thanks to you, doctor. I really respect and I'm very grateful to you, um, for for being such a great Ayurvedic doctor. And thank you so much for it. And I would like to, I hope this testimonial helps people who are on a similar journey as me, and wishing them all the best in their recovery. Thank you.